Hey, cancer sucks. Let's do something about that. This apple is named Vitruvius Appleton, and he is going to show us some warning signs of cancer and ways to prevent cancer. Here are some signs and symptoms of cancer. If you find a new mole that is strangely shaped or a different color, you might have cancer. If you get a cut or sore and it takes way too long to heal, you might have cancer. If you feel weak or tired all the time, even when well rested, you might have cancer. If you develop problems eating or getting food down, you might have cancer. If you begin finding blood in your urine or fecal matter, you might have cancer. Now, cancer can really be a butt. However, there are ways to prevent it. If you stay in shape and exercise regularly, you can prevent cancer. If you avoid unhealthy foods and snacks, you can prevent cancer. If you avoid drugs and alcohol abuse, you can prevent cancer. If you vaccinate yourself to keep healthy, you can prevent cancer. In fact, interesting fact, the HPV vaccine can prevent cervical cancer. And if all else fails, if you get screenings every so often, you can prevent cancer. Cancer can be a thing of the past if we follow these guidelines.